The expansion of the universe is a phenomenon supported by observations and is a key concept in cosmology. The prevailing scientific explanation for the expansion of the universe is based on the theory of general relativity, proposed by Albert Einstein. According to the theory of general relativity, the distribution of matter and energy in the universe determines its overall geometry and dynamics. The universe can have three possible geometries: flat, open, or closed. The expansion of the universe is closely related to its geometry. Observations, such as the redshift of distant galaxies, have revealed that the universe is expanding. The redshift occurs because the light from distant galaxies is stretched as space itself expands, causing the wavelengths of light to increase. This phenomenon is similar to how the pitch of a sound wave increases as the source moves away from an observer. The expansion of the universe can be explained through the concept of the Big Bang theory. According to this theory, the universe originated from an extremely hot and dense state about 13.8 billion years ago. At the moment of the Big Bang, space itself began to rapidly expand, carrying matter and energy with it. This expansion continues to this day. The precise cause of the initial expansion, often referred to as the inflationary period, is still a subject of scientific investigation and research. However, the most widely accepted explanation involves the concept of cosmic inflation, which suggests that a brief period of exponential expansion occurred in the very early universe due to the properties of a hypothetical field called the inflaton field. It's important to note that the expansion of the universe doesn't mean everything is moving away from a central point. Instead, it means that the distance between galaxies and other cosmic structures is increasing as space itself expands. This expansion is happening uniformly on a large scale, meaning that every observer in the universe would observe a similar phenomenon. In summary, the universe is expanding as a result of the initial rapid expansion that occurred during the Big Bang. The ongoing expansion is a consequence of the properties of space and is supported by various observational evidence.